All right, good morning. Pat O'Brien with another Jamison Minute. One of the questions we get all the time is about water damage versus termite damage. And this is a great example on this house. As you can see up there, what that is water damage. And I'm assuming it's water damage, I haven't torn apart, but when we see something up that high, if you look right below the hole, first of all, most of the damage, or the worst part of the damage, is concentrated right where the hole is at. Then below that, you'll see there's a crack where that board is. That crack or that seam is what split and probably started allowing the water to get in there. So the water's gonna be worse in that one location. So water damage occurs in one location right here where the water's getting in. And you've got the staining from the water, even though it's dried out now, and you've got just giant chunks missing. So that tends to be more water damage right here. Termite damage, like we talked about, is gonna be more along it, and you can see that little groove right there. That's where the termites have actually eaten the wood with the grain. And this mud that you're seeing along here is a broken termite tube that used to be there, but it's also running the length. And when you get up here, you can see it's actually eaten into the wood there. And so some of the actual wood is missing, and it looks like they were not really doing a lot of feeding here, but more traveling from the wet wood, feeding where it's damp, and then traveling along. And they did score this out. You can feel, or you can see the indention. And then you get down to where it's wet on the other side, probably the next piece. And so that's where they're gonna focus. But you can see where, so there's termites kind of running the length of it, whereas water damage is gonna be more focused in one little spot. But you got both represented on that board.